And yes, kanina pa sila nakapila at excited na excited silang lahat. Bianca, it's nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too.
I remember PBF 2025 when you
Yes.
read the book here on stage, and now you're here for this book that celebrates a show that you're a part of and that you're very proud of. How are you feeling?
Of course, all of us are very grateful. Again, you mentioned a while ago, no, noong 2025, we were here reading the book. And now it's really one whole book for the whole project that we have been shooting and airing for how many years now. And to actually see now we have an opportunity for the story to be imparted to children especially.
Exactly.
And it's immortalized not only on TV, pero pati na rin sa papel. Eh hanggang sa tumanda kami, matatago namin yung mga librong kat na ipapasa namin sa mga magiging anak namin, mga magiging apo namin. And so we are grateful, and also PBF, thank you so much for having us again.
I'm so happy talaga na nandito kayo. And I love the word you use, Bianca. It's immortalized and shared with the younger generations. Forever nilang kayang basahin ang librong ito. Encantadia Chronicles, Sangre. So, we have a list of questions for the three of you. So, round table lang to. Okay, rapid fire. May sasabihin lang ako. Tell us what first comes to mind. Ready na ba kayo?
Rapid fire talaga.
Oo.
Okay.
Alright, so the first thing that comes to mind, favorite kingdom in Encantadia. Oh, Kelvin, ready ka na?
Madami.
Okay.
Siyempre,
Angel.
ako lalayo, mini-ave.
Bianca.
Ako, dadalhin ko kung saan ako nanggaling. Mundo ng mga tao. At protektahan ang Encantadia.
Goosebumps. Kung saan ako nanggaling. Yes, alright. What about favorite creature? So, since nauna ka na kanina, Bianca, ikaw naman yung mauna.
Si Awu!
Awu! Ba't ba ako magtanong? Ako si Awu.
Si Awu because he's the one and only tall fur creature sa mundo ng Encantadia.
Okay.
And the first time na na-meet siya ni Terra, talagang, kasi si Terra ay malapit sa mga Pashdea, sa mga hayop. At napamahalaga siya sa mata ni Awu.
Good to know. Okay, Angel, what about you?
Ako siguro si Grifa. Kasi si Grifa yung nagdala sa akin sa mga sangre at nakilala ko sila. So, for me, it's Grifa.
Okay, and Calvin?
Sa akin, siyempre, si Nunong Imaw. Kasi punong-puno kami ng gabay sa kanya. Simula hanggang sa isinilang kami, hanggang sa naging sangre na kami.
You're bringing me to the world of Encantadia talaga. When you're answering the questions, I feel like you're answering based on your characters. Kayo talaga, nakikita ko ngayon na mahal nyo ang mga characters niyo. So, eto naman, kasi you can see your fans showed up. Encantadix, can you please show that you're here? Round of applause naman! Damang-dama, dito ang pagmamahal at pagsuporta.
Lahat ng detalye, talagang nakabantay sila sa bawat inihahandog namin sa kanilang gabi-gabi.
Wise and
Siyempre,
smart.
Wise and smart.
Approve ba kayo? Wise and smart? Encantadix? Yes, I see thumbs up there. Bianca, of course, the show's so special to you. How would you describe the fans who truly show up every time you have events like this and every time you invite them to join
Grabe
you?
tong mga to.
Oo.
At hindi biro kapag sinabi mo talagang sila ang fans ng Encantadia. Siguro hindi na ako lalayo. Bakit ba kayo tatawagin na Encantadix kung hindi kayo mga addict sa Encantadia? Tama ba? Grabe to kasi bawat detalye, bawat salita, bawat kibot namin lahat, talagang planchado na yan. Alam niyo yun. Kaya nakakagana lagi magtrabaho at pagandahin yung project. Kasi paano ka mapapagod kung alam mo ganyan kadami at ganyan ka-solid yung mga nagmamahal sa proyekto na ginagawa mo?
Solid. Okay. As well, don't forget our hashtags. By the way, make sure to post online. Again, we're so happy to have Angel, Kelvin, and Bianca here with us. I see that a lot of you are taking pictures and videos. Please, Sangre Book, hashtag Sangre Book Launch.
On here.
All right. For this segment,
Balik natin nila. Alliance lang.
Yung kondom, hindi ba pwede mo sa akin? Kasi dito sa akin, yung word ng kondom yan. Yung paano ka makahawa, so kailangan talaga ipaalam sa kanila, ipa-clear na yun yung mga pwedeng cause ng pagkakaroon ng HIV. At yung itintiga ka, hindi sa pangalan. Kaya, tapos na, really, mahalaga ito, malaman sa akin. As a writer, ito, kasi
Moy Luluboy, ang batang aswang has received the Sagarino Reyes Medal for Best Young Adult Book of 2024.
Anhi porlusanon, makiaangayon, tama abi-abihon, nan mapinuligon, waray ka iiliwon, kay pirmi malipayon, mahusay ang pamayhon, kamahiyong-hiyong. Anhi porlusanon, makisasangkayon, diri kaarawdan, kay makisasayawon,